In the heart of rural America, legends often begin with a whisper and a mystery buried beneath the surface. Among these tales is the story of a 1967 Mustang Fastback, a prized muscle car swept away by a historic flood and lost to time. For 40 years, its fate remained unknown, fueling rumors and speculation throughout the community. Only decades later would a remarkable discovery beneath an old farmhouse reveal the truth, setting the stage for an extraordinary journey of rediscovery. In the quiet stretches of rural America, time often seems to move a little slower, and the landscape is dotted with weathered barns and winding country roads. Here, classic muscle cars are more than just vehicles. They're cherished symbols of freedom, ingenuity, and the open road. Among these legends, the 1967 Mustang Fastback holds a special place in the hearts of enthusiasts. Its sleek lines and powerful engine make it a rare and highly sought-after treasure, embodying the spirit of American automotive innovation. Discovering one in such a setting is like unearthing a piece of living history, a testament to both nostalgia and enduring craftsmanship. In the early 1970s, a powerful flood struck a quiet farming community, leaving destruction in its wake. Torrential rains overwhelmed rivers and streams, sending muddy water rushing through fields and homes. Families scrambled to salvage what they could, but the damage was immense. Roads washed out, buildings battered, and lives upended. Amid the chaos, one family discovered their cherished 1967 Mustang Fastback had vanished without a trace. Locals speculated that the car had been swept away by the floodwaters, lost to the currents, and buried somewhere beneath the debris. In the wake of the devastating flood, the small farming community was left to pick up the pieces. Homes were damaged, fields were ruined, and among the losses was the beloved 1967 Mustang Fastback, which seemed to have vanished without a trace. Most locals believed the raging waters had swept the car far downstream, never to be recovered. With no sign of the Mustang, the family and their neighbors gradually accepted its disappearance as just another casualty of the disaster. Life moved forward, but the mystery of the missing car lingered quietly in the town's collective memory. Decades after the flood, a routine repair at the old farmhouse took an unexpected turn. As construction crews worked on the foundation, their tools struck something solid and metallic beneath layers of earth. Curious, they cleared away the mud and debris, gradually revealing the unmistakable contours of a classic car. To their astonishment, it was the long-lost 1967 Mustang Fastback, preserved beneath the house for 40 years. The discovery left everyone wondering how such an iconic vehicle could remain hidden for so long, sealed away from the world by time and circumstance. As the construction crew peeled back the old floorboards, their flashlights caught a glint of metal buried deep beneath layers of hardened mud. Slowly, the unmistakable silhouette of a Mustang Fastback emerged, its body sealed and preserved by decades of earth and moisture. The car appeared frozen in time, untouched since the day the floodwaters receded. Despite the thick coating of debris, the iconic lines and emblem were still visible, hinting at the story hidden beneath the farmhouse for 40 years. It was a discovery that left everyone in awe, as if the elements themselves had conspired to protect this piece of automotive history. After 40 years beneath the farmhouse, the Mustang Fastback bore the unmistakable marks of its ordeal. Its once vibrant paint had been stripped away by moisture and time, and the interior was left waterlogged and decayed. Layers of hardened mud encased the frame, and rust had claimed much of the chrome and exposed metal. Yet, despite the damage, the car's iconic silhouette remained, and the Mustang emblem still peeked through the grime. Even in such a battered state, the enduring lines and details made it instantly recognizable as a classic American muscle car. Automotive experts agree that restoring a classic car like the 1967 Mustang Fastback, after decades buried in mud, presents significant challenges. Prolonged exposure to moisture and debris can lead to extensive rust, corrosion, and damage to both the frame and mechanical components. Specialists must carefully assess the structural integrity, often requiring advanced techniques to salvage original parts. The interior, typically soaked and deteriorated, demands meticulous refurbishment or replacement. Despite these obstacles, experts note that with patience and specialized restoration services, even a car lost to time can be revived to its former glory. The question of how the Mustang came to rest beneath the farmhouse remains a captivating puzzle. Some locals believe the floodwaters were powerful enough to sweep the car away and deposit it under the house as the waters receded. Others suggest a more intentional act, theorizing that the original owner may have tried to protect the prized fastback by moving it beneath the structure, only for the building to collapse or shift during the storm. With no definitive evidence, both explanations persist, fueling speculation and debate. What is certain is that the car's hidden fate only adds to its enduring mystique. Decades slip by as the Mustang Fastback lay undisturbed beneath the farmhouse, its presence unknown to generations who lived above. Over the years, whispers and rumors grew, with locals spinning their own theories about the car's mysterious disappearance. The passage of time only deepened the intrigue, transforming a lost vehicle into a piece of local folklore. Each retelling added new details, fueling the legend of the Mustang hidden by mud and memory. Its eventual discovery would not only solve a long-standing mystery, but also bring to light the enduring power of stories passed down through time. The restoration journey begins with meticulous care, as layers of hardened mud are gently removed from the Mustang's battered frame. Each scoop reveals more of the car's original contours, allowing experts to assess the extent of rust, corrosion, and structural damage. The body is carefully inspected for integrity, with particular attention paid to the chassis and support beams. This initial phase is crucial, as it determines which parts can be salvaged and which will require replacement. Through patient work, the team uncovers the hidden story of the car's survival beneath the farmhouse for 4 decades. As restoration begins, the Mustang's battered body is carefully stripped down, revealing the true extent of its scars and the craftsmanship needed to revive it. Skilled technicians smooth out dents, repair rusted panels, and meticulously prepare the surface for a fresh coat of paint. With each layer of primer and color, the car's iconic lines start to re-emerge, bringing back its original allure. Meanwhile, the engine is painstakingly rebuilt, ensuring every component is restored to peak performance. Inside, new upholstery and restored details breathe life into the cabin, transforming the once-forgotten Fastback into a showpiece ready for the road once again. After months of meticulous work, the Mustang Fastback has been fully restored to its original splendor. Gleaming under the sunlight, its classic lines and powerful engine stand as a testament to both its storied past and the dedication of those who brought it back to life. Every detail, from the polished chrome to the pristine interior, reflects the craftsmanship and passion poured into its revival. Now, after decades hidden beneath the earth, this legendary muscle car is finally ready to reclaim its place on the open road. The tale of a Mustang lost to time and rediscovered decades later speaks to the timeless allure of classic muscle cars. These vehicles are more than just machines, they are pieces of history, carrying stories of resilience and rediscovery. Each restoration breathes new life into legends once thought forgotten, reminding us why these icons captivate generation after generation. There are countless automotive mysteries still waiting to be unearthed, each with its own unique journey. Exploring these hidden histories reveals not only the cars themselves, but the enduring passion that keeps their legacy alive. Please subscribe for more stories just like this.